Good afternoon. We ordered holiday cards. So if you're a client, these may be coming to you.
However, there's a limited quantity.
Ooh.
That's so
I don't know if you're allowed to show these.
Yeah, it's kind of rude to spoil it.
Okay, you know what we can do, Michael? Blur it as soon as he shows.
Censor it.
Blur this.
There's actually something funny on the back. Only certain people will notice. We have black.
He's super nice. Super nice.
Okay, I'm hungry.
He's a friendly one.
Hello.
What's your name?
Ruby.
Aww.
Hi, I'm Franz Umbiko, and I'm a UX designer and front-end developer, and I'm really excited to be working with the crew here at Now Creative Group. User experience is much more concerned with empathizing with the people who will be actually using the app. At the end of the day, we're here to make people's lives better by saving them time, money, whatever it takes. UI, the interaction design, is much more the means in order to get there. It's like a body of water that you don't really know how to traverse. UI, it's like the bridge that gets you from point A to point B, from having a problem to solving that problem with software, with a great experience. Another really popular misconception about UX and UI is that it's really just there to make the site or product look good. I think the biggest value is being able to identify what it is that makes a business or a person's product really unique.
We have our on-site electrician.
Oh no, don't say that. I'm not an electrician. So today, I put together a new TV stand, installing a new light, painted that. I painted up all the parts on the walls where Dan likes to lean and put his foot up. That's his like signature stance. And then I'm gonna be putting together little accent pieces. So right now I'm doing arts and crafts. We rushed all day, we had an hour phone call, had to set up the space, had to finish some parts, had to clean everything up.
We made it.
Just barely.
Where the treetops glisten and children listen.
This is our last vlog of the year.
Recap. In January we were working out of another space. We had 2 desks there.
Technically only supposed to have 2 people, but we had 2 chairs at the second desk for sure. And then an extended corner for my desk with all our supplies.
We hijacked a lot of desks.
And then when visitors came in, we took out more desks. We weren't really able to be confined to a working space.
We were looking for a new space for a while, and then April was when we like drew the line on moving out. We were really struggling to find something that we could work with. It's a pretty big leap.
And that was like the big thing for 2016. It's just a way to like push ourselves forward and grow. So by having this space now, we have events, we have a lot of meetings here, a lot of people visiting our space, we have a community going on, we have rentals. It's a big sign of growth, I think, for Now Creative Group.
It forced us to just work harder and make it work.
We also grew our team, so we had a few additions to our team. Ali's been a huge part of it, as you've seen him in the vlogs. He is someone who's really gonna help us move forward and grow, and brings a whole new area of expertise to our team. And just a number of new interns, a number of new collaborators. 2016 was not just a year of learning, but we grew, and we're pretty pumped for 2017. We're ready for an awesome next year.
Yeah. wondered what like the look like.
Yeah, get that outside.